Algebra vocabulary, this is a digital lesson. So it starts with explaining what algebra is. It's the study of variables and the operations of arithmetic with variables. So variables are letters or symbols that are used to represent numbers. So here's some examples. So all the vocabulary that they need to learn are in blue. A term is a number, a variable, or a product or quotient of numbers and variables. So each one of these is a term. There's no plus signs or subtraction signs. An expression is one or more terms with one or more operations. So you can see here there's plus signs or subtraction signs in between the terms. It's called an expression. A constant is a term that does not contain variables. So here you can see there are no variables. Those are all constants. Coefficient is the numerical factor of a term, which means it's a number that's multiplied by variables. So it's the number portion, it's in blue. Those are the coefficients. Now, after you've gone over all of these terms, students are going to place these terms in the correct place in the sentence frame. So they can go back, scroll back to the previous slides if they need to, but they're going to move these into place. So the first one, algebra, uses variables. They're just going to click and hold on the edge of variables, move that into place. Same thing with the other terms. Then we move on to some more vocabulary. We've got monomial, equation, solution to an equation, binomial, and trinomial. And they're going to do the same thing here. Move these terms into the correct place in the sentence frames. Again, they can go back and check the previous slides if they need help. And then the next slide has two more. The very last slide, now we've got all of these terms that are scrambled, so they have to unscramble them and type the correct vocabulary word in here. So term would be the first one, and so on. Now all of the completed slides are included for the teacher. So this is a good introduction to algebra, digital lesson, vocabulary.